guys, welcome back to another video on Chris and Matthew Coffee Adventures. This is our second video, so make sure you go see our first one. Don't click on it because it won't work. So we're not long just got here. My dad's taken almost all the fishing stuff out and he's put it over that you won't be able to see. And basically, we're doing a day session today, and we're just day session of carp fishing. That's really it. We're using the PVA bags we used yesterday's video for. Like I said, go check it out. And please consider subscribing. If not, hit the like button. If not, leave a comment. It's completely up to you. But subscribing would be quite helpful. So yeah, let's get into it. Hi guys, it's Matthew. This is just a quick little update for a video. Yeah. Nothing much going on. Just rebaiting the rods. Yep, very casual. This is just a small update, so this whole video is just gonna be a few updates that put together. That's really it. See it on the flip side.
Well guys, just a quick update. Nothing to report really. I've rebaited all the rods on PVA mesh bags. Got a bit of tiger nut oil in them as well. Yeah, can't talk. Matthew's there.
Hi.
Playing on his phone. There you go. I do all the work as normal. Yeah, I moved my, if you can see, my rod there, left hand rod, if you saw it. This one, not that one, that one there. Moved that about 6 wraps out into deeper water. Got a few liners on that, so looks promising. Matthew's had a liner on his.
Quite a few times actually.
But I don't know if that's just the wind, because it is quite windy. But no, my bobbin moved up and down, Matthew's bobbin moved up and down, so yeah, we've had a few liners. So like I say, nothing much to report, just like I say, got to be in it to win it. There we are. So yeah, catch you soon.
Hi guys, it's me Matthew again. This is the third update, I think. Yeah, it is. It got really cold and my feet went numb, so my dad offered if I could come back in the car. I'm about to go back and see if he's doing anything. Just gotta make sure to lock it. It's not as cold as before though, so lock it. There we go. Yeah, he's just over here. I can switch the camera so you can see like this. I've been in the car for a little bit, so oh, he's not there. It's literally the first one here. You see that view right there? That one there, that's ours. See there? Here he is. Hello. Hi. You doing update 4?
Yeah, you're doing recording.
Yeah, I'm doing update 3.
There we are.
Okay.
But yeah, so. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Nothing to report as such. Again, liners. Oh, there we are. No, just the liners. I've rebaited all the rods. Then Matthew is in the car, he's got a bit cold, so it's just me at the moment. So nothing to report. I say I've rebaited all the rods again. getting a bit cold, so I don't think there's going to be much action. But yeah, is what it is, isn't it? You know, you win some, you lose some, and there we are. But yeah, but so the lake's been awfully quiet. Nothing since this morning up that first show. Just literally about there, about there. So there's nothing at all. Well, there we are. Possibly another update beforehand, but we've only got just under 2 hours left, so this day session is dusk till dawn. So yeah, let's just hope we can have a quick bite before back up time. Right, cheers guys. If you like the video, obviously click and subscribe. But yeah, hi. Oh look, here he is.
Hi.
Here he is.
You doing update 4?
Yeah, are you doing recording?
Yeah, I'm doing update 3.
Oh, there we are.
Okay.
But yeah, so right, maybe another update, maybe not. We don't know. See you in a bit.
Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Huh? I'm doing the thing. I'm doing the thing. This might be the last update before we end the video, because we don't seem to be catching anything. Just a few, like.
Not that bad. We're out of time.
Oh, out of time. That same thing. Yeah, that's really it to say. So if this is the last update, I'm just going to say it. Please subscribe. You don't have to, but it would be helpful. Oh no. Yeah, see ya. Hi guys, that last update was the last one. Like I said, yeah. Look, it's starting to rain as well.
Yeah.
Yes, they were.
Well guys, that's it. Didn't catch nothing. Blanked. But what do you expect in this kind of weather? Cold, rain, windy. Nothing showing at all, apart from this morning, like I said in the previous in start of the video. Yeah, so that's it. It's time to pack up. Well, say time to pack up. It's already packed up. But yeah, it's time to head off now. So cheers, guys.
Thanks for watching.
All right, cheers. Bye.
Bye.